Passive Income 101: How to Make Money While You Sleep. Hey there, everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm thrilled you're joining us today because we're about to dive into an incredibly exciting and transformative topic: passive income. That's right, folks, we're going to explore the fascinating world of making money while you sleep. I'm Todd, and this is Passive Income 101. The magic of passive income. Picture this: waking up to your bank account a little fatter every morning without actively working for it. That's the magic of passive income. It's like setting up a well-oiled money machine that works tirelessly for you, even when you're not around. Understanding passive income. But before we dive into the how-tos, let's ensure we're all on the same page. What exactly is passive income? In its essence, it's money you earn with minimal ongoing effort. Think of it as the financial equivalent of compound interest. Your money works for you and multiplies over time. Dividends and stocks. Let's kick things off with an investment classic: dividends and stocks. When you invest in dividend-paying stocks, you become a shareholder in a company. As the company profits, you get a piece of the pie. It's like receiving a small bonus for being a loyal investor. Real estate rentals. Now, let's explore the world of real estate rentals. Buying properties and renting them out can generate steady income streams. Whether it's a cozy apartment or a commercial space, real estate can be a rock-solid source of passive income. Affiliate marketing. Our journey into the online realm begins with affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services through unique affiliate links. When someone makes a purchase using your link, you earn a commission. It's like being a matchmaker between customers and products, and you get paid for the connection. Segment 6: Creating digital products. Host: have a special skill or knowledge. Turn it into digital products. Whether it's an ebook, an online course, or even printable templates, you create it once and sell it repeatedly. It's like writing a hit song and getting royalties every time it's played. Exploring dropshipping. Host: e-commerce enthusiasts, listen up. Dropshipping lets you run an online store without handling inventory. When a customer orders from your store, the product is shipped directly from the supplier. You pocket the difference between the retail price and the supplier's cost. Leveraging online platforms. Host: online platforms offer endless opportunities for renting out belongings and skills. Need a power drill for a weekend project? Rent it from someone nearby. Have graphic design skills? Offer your services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Building a blog or YouTube channel. Host: if you're passionate about sharing knowledge or experiences, starting a blog or YouTube channel might be your ticket to passive income. While it requires dedication and consistency, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, and your very own merchandise. The power of diversification. As we wrap up, remember that diversification is key. Relying solely on one income stream can be risky. Also, let's debunk the misconception that passive income requires no effort. While it can lead to less active work in the long run, setting up these streams often demands upfront effort and patience. Conclusion and call to action. There you have it: Passive Income 101: How to Make Money While You Sleep. Whether you're into investments, e-commerce, or creating digital products, the world of passive income is open for exploration. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on all things related to financial growth and personal development. Thanks for tuning in, dream big, and keep hustling smart.